Want to transform your static PDFs into dynamic, navigable resources with just a few clicks? In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to make hyperlinks active in Dochub, turning your documents into interactive gateways to information. First, open your PDF document within Dochub. You'll see your familiar document interface. Locate and click on the link tool in the Dochub toolbar. It usually looks like a chain or a globe icon. Now, simply click and drag your mouse cursor over the text or image you want to turn into a clickable link. This will draw a bounding box around your selected area. A small pop-up window will appear here. You have a few options for external links. Select the URL tab. In the URL field, carefully type or paste the full web address of the external website you want a link to make sure it's accurate, starting with http:// or https://. If you want to link to another page within the same PDF, select the Page tab. Then, enter the specific page number you wish to jump to. Once you've entered your desired link destination, click the Save or Apply button to confirm. You'll now see that your selected text or image has changed visually, indicating it's an active hyperlink. To test it, hover your mouse over the link. A tooltip should appear showing the destination. Click on it, and your browser will open directly to the URL you provided, or your PDF will jump to the specified page. Repeat these steps for any other text or images you want to make clickable. This enhances your document's interactivity significantly. And there you have it. You've successfully made your hyperlinks active in Dochub, making your documents more informative and user-friendly. Happy linking!